welcome learners. In this video, we will continue exercise 14.1 of chapter 14, exponents and powers. You can see question number 3 is express each of the following numbers using exponential notation. We need to find numbers exponential form is this number. So part 1 is 625. To find the exponential notation, we'll first find the factors of this number using HCF method. So you can see 625 has a factor 5. 5, 125s are 625. 5, 25s are 125. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. This method we have studied in previous classes. So 625 has 4 times. So I can write 625 as 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Here 5 is repeated 4 times. I will write it as 5 raised to 4. Part 2 is 2401. While finding the HCF of 2401, you'll have 7 as its factor. So you can see 7 343s are 2401, 7 49s are 343, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. I can write 2401 as the factors of 7 as 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Here 7 is repeated 4 times. I can write it as 7 raised to 4. This is the exponential form of 2401. For 256, when you find the HCF of 256, you can see you'll get the factors as 2. 2 will be repeated 8 times. So I can write 256 as product of 2's, 2 into 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 2. That is 8 times. It is 8 times repeated. So I can write it in the exponent form as 2 raised to 8. 243. 243 has factors 3 5 times. So 243 can be written as product of 3 5 3's. Here 3 is repeated 5 times. I can write it in exponential form as 3 raised to 5. Part 5, 216. 216 is the product of 3 6's. 6 into 6 into 6. Here 6 is repeated 3 times, and the exponential form will be 6 raised to 3. Coming up to 6th part, here you can see it is 1 lakh. If you remember the trick that we used in question number 1, it is a reverse of that. So you can, instead of finding the HCF, you can directly write the exponential form. ये केवल उस नंबर के लिए एप्लीकेबल है जिसमें हमारे पास 1 के साथ जीरोज हैं, सिर्फ जीरोज हैं. जितने नंबर ऑफ जीरोज होंगे उतना हम 10 की पावर में लगा देंगे. Here you can see there are 5 zeros. 5. So 10 की power 5. That will be the exponential form of it. This is the simplest trick. अगर ट्रिक याद नहीं रहती है, then find the HCF and write it as usual. Part 7 is 32,168. When finding the HCF of it, you can see 32,768 will have 8 as its factor. 5 8. So here 8 will be repeated 5 times. Hence, the exponential form of 32,768 will be 8 raised to 5. Try to solve the 8th part, 729, with the same method. Question number 4. Which one is greater in each of the following? We need to compare these two numbers. 2 raised to 8 or 8 raised to 2. So we will find the value of 2 raised to 8 and 8 raised to 2 separately. 2 raised to 8 will give you a value of 256, whereas 8 raised to 2 will give you a value of 64. Comparing these two numbers, you can see 256 is greater than 64. So 256 was the value of 2 raised to 8. I'll write it as it is, the sign as it is, and 64 was the value of 8 raised to 2. Hence, 2 raised to 8 is greater than 8 raised to 2. Second part is 2 raised to 5 or 5 raised to 2. 2 raised to 5 when expanded and solved will give you the value as 32, where 5 raised to 2 will give you a value of 25. Here, since 32 is greater than 25, 32 is greater than 25, 32 was the value of 2 raised to 5, whereas 5 was the value of 5 raised to 2. Hence, 2 raised to 5 is greater than 5 raised to 2. 3 raised to 6 or 6 raised to 3. The value of 3 raised to 6 expansion and solving will give you 729, whereas 6 raised to 3 will give you a value of 216. While comparing, you can see 729 is greater than 216. Hence, 3 raised to 6 will be greater than 6 raised to 6. Part 4. 2 raised to 3 or 3 raised to 2. 2 raised to 3 will give you a value of 8. 3 raised to 2 will give you a value of 9. Comparing these two, you will see 9 is greater than 8. Hence, 3 raised to 2 is greater than 2 raised to 3. Try to solve part 4 and part 5 and part 6. Question number 5 is, express each of the following as products of their prime numbers or prime factors. Prime factors are the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself, like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. So as we did in question number 3, we'll do it the same in question number 5. But the difference is, first we will try to solve it by prime numbers first. So you can see 540. I'll find the HCF of it using the prime numbers. I have solved it, or I have found the factors of 540. The factors are 2, 3, and 5. Here, 5 and 40 can be written in an expanded form or in the form of its factor as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5. Here 2 is repeated 2 times, 3 is repeated 3 times, and 5 is repeated only 1 time. Hence, your answer is 2 raised to 2, 3 raised to 3, 5 raised to 1. Here, the multiplication sign can be omitted. It is understood. Part 2. 72. The factor of 72, on finding the HCF, you will get as 3 times 2 and 2 times 3. So 3 times 2, that means 2 raised to 3. 2 times 3, that means 3 raised to 2. That can be written as 2 raised to 3, 3 raised to 2. Part 3, 432. 432 has a factor 4 times 2 and 3 times 3. So 2 raised to 4, 3 raised to 3. Without any space or multiplication sign, you can write the exponential form of it. Now this time, as the question is question number 3 और question number 5 में difference है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में पूछा था कि किस नंबर का एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म है. अगर ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में होता तो आंसर हम डायरेक्टली लिख सकते थे 10 रेज टू 3 एज इट पजेस 3 zeros. 10 रेज टू 3 उसका एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म होता. लेकिन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 में कहा गया है वी नीड टू फाइंड द पावर्स ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टर्स. हमें प्राइम नंबर के पावर्स में आंसर लिखना है. So we will find the HCF using prime numbers of 1000. You can see I got 3 times 2 and 3 times 5. I have written 1000 in the form of its factor, product of its factors. As 2 is repeated 3 times, I have written 2 raised to 3. 5 is repeated 3 times, so 5 raised to 3. 2 raised to 3, 5 raised to 3 is the exponential form of 1000 in terms of its prime number. Try to solve question number 5, part number 5. Part 6 is 36,000. So you can see 36,000, I have first solved it with 2. 1s are 2, remaining 1, 1 6, 2 8s are 16, 3 zeros as it is. 2 9s are 18, 3 zeros as it is. 2 4s are 8, 1 0, 2 5s are 10, 2 zeros as it is. This is how I have found the HCF of 36,000. When I have written 36,000 in the form of product of its prime factors, you can see 2 is repeated 5 times. So 2 raised to 5 multiplied by 5 is repeated 3 times, 5 raised to 3. 3 is repeated 2 times, 3 raised to 2. I have rearranged them. 2 raised to 5, then 3 raised to 2 and 5 raised to 3. Increasing order of prime numbers के फॉर्म में मैंने उसे rearrange करके लिखा है. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.